Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Redmi 13X. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case, but don't remove them just yet. Let me tell you why. First, when the screen protector is misaligned or it's just cracked in any possible way, if it's not fitting properly, then it might cause issues with the ghost touches. Basically, a ghost touch is a problem when your phone makes a touch. So for example, I'll tap settings and the phone makes it itself and I did not even touch it. So this is the explanation of a ghost touch. Now what you guys want to do is remove the case, but only if the case is not original and the bezels of the case are covering a part of the screen. Sometimes it just happens and it can also cause the ghost touches, so make sure to remove that. Now what you guys can do is remove to clean the screen, to remove any debris or moisture. So get your microfiber cloth ready, give it a few swipes, don't go hard on the device, just swipe it a little. And now you get rid of everything like the moisture, fingerprints, etc. So your screen is now ready. What you guys can do next as a last resort is to update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings and here we need to go over to the about phone and then click on Xiaomi HyperOS. Here we need to click on check for updates. And as you guys can see, there are no updates available for me because I'm running the latest version. But if you guys are not, then I recommend you guys running it because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the ghost touch problem. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.